Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday to you. And thank you so much for continuing to be with me in the conversation about the transformation of mental health and all of this. These video postings that we're doing, the articles we're writing, the meetings that we're having with different social workers, the social work power certificate course that's going to continue into March. And that's something that you could come to one time. It's something that you could come to each time. Either way, we would love to see you there and join us in this conversation. Today and on Mondays, we are using one of our initial articles as a framework and a launchpad to really delve into what all of this means in terms of the transformation of mental health through social work and what that means in terms of our power as social workers and how that shows up for us in the different domains and different areas of our practice and also of our personal experiences. I think I've mentioned before that certainly some of the experiences that I've had, the separation of who I am as a social worker from who I am in the other domains of my life is just not something that I am able to fully do. And so when I am confronted by something in the context of the work that I'm doing, I'm not confronted in the work. I'm confronted in who it is that I am and how it is that I'm showing up. And so all of it creates opportunities for constant evolution and growth. And some of that includes how it is that we collaborate with other people. So I am going to share what it is that we're going to be talking about today. And again, this is the article that we have been looking at, the role of social workers in transforming mental health. And we've been taking each part of this and just using it again as an opportunity to delve into what it is that comes up for us, how this looks, how this feels, what's the experience like for us as we continue into these conversations. So the last time we talked about architecting strategies that foster innovation and drive optimal shifts and really allowing for there to be an opening in innovation and what that might mean and allowing our creativity to really come through. Today, we're going to talk about fostering community collaboration, and collaborating closely with communities is key to dismantling barriers and effect transformation. And I think one of the unique things about who it is that we are as social workers is that we have the ability to really be in community with whoever that might be. Excuse me. And it allows us to engage with people in a way that, again, separating out the professional centrism that can sometimes be there when we operate from a place of where there's a lack of cultural humility. And we are operating from a place where we think we know what other people need. We think we know what is best for people, not really accounting for their voice. And so we are primed in our positions to undo some of that. And to really be immersed in what it is people's experiences are and collaborate closely and even collaborating in the sense of not being the lead, that this isn't about doing to, this is not even about necessarily doing with or doing for. It's about creating a space where people have an opportunity to identify what the barriers are for them. And for us to just be in a space of asking questions and curiosity so that we can learn and grow and thrive ourselves in whatever that may mean for our own personal and professional beliefs. So collaboration, in the space of social work, I think it's something that we do in our work, but do it from a place of resourceful, and really don't get to have the full experience of what it means to be in community with people. And so I invite you into the questions about what does it mean to truly be in community with people? What does that truly look like? What would it look like for you if somebody were in community with you what would that look like? And so what would then you want it to look like for other people? So join in the conversation. I'd love to hear your thoughts about what it means to foster community collaboration in the whole idea of of dismantling the barriers and creating transformation. So I look forward to hearing from you. And this is Karen Dubin from Sweet Institute, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.